Thanks to the Euro 6 emissions standard, trucks now emit significantly fewer particles and nitrogen oxide. This can only be achieved by low consumption. The key to this is lightweight construction. But what happens when the vehicles come in for serving and components have to be replaced? If the replacements are heavier than the lightweight original equipment parts, all the benefits of Euro 6 are lost. The consequence is greater fuel consumption, increased emissions and thus significantly higher operating costs. To avoid the problem, Continental has developed a solution for this very purpose. Lightweight replacement air springs for trucks with the Euro 6 emissions standard. Exactly. We've developed a group of weight-optimized air springs. Representative of this is the 6122 NP47, a Mercedes-Benz truck's Actros MP4 air springs bellows that has been specially developed to meet the Euro 6 standard. Let's take a closer look at the piston, which has a special feature. It is made of plastic with a completely usable inner volume. Only a few spokes are visible inside. It is produced by a very special injection molding process. So naturally it weighs much less. Less weight also means fewer emissions. Fewer emissions are good for the environment, but of course also for the operator's finances. Why not check out our website at airspringreplacement.com. There you'll find a range of articles featuring a similar design.